Good morning. Today I want to do is go over crossing over with you, and I want to show you two examples using the spores that we were looking with the photographs, and to try and walk you through again crossing over. All right, so what you see here is a function of two strains of a gene called tan and black. Black makes the spores black, tan makes them clear. The example you see here is meiosis, and you're looking for an example of non-crossover. So this is one parent, this is the other parent. They go through meiosis 1 and separate. This was one single cell here. Then it goes through meiosis 2 and you get haploid cells. They undergo mitosis and you end up with 4 white or tan and 4 black. And they can be in either order. What you see now is the exact same situation, but this time during prophase 1, we have crossing over. And what we're trying to do is share with you why you had different patterns than in the slide before. So right here during prophase 1 of meiosis 1, we have an event called crossing over. What I want to do is focus in on that one real closely before I move. Okay, so what you see here is a cell. In the cell, the nucleus, we have two chromosomes. Each of the chromatids have been replicated into sister chromatids. So you have a maternal chromosome with two identical strands and two paternal chromosomes. Those are from the father, these are from the mother. And now what's going to happen is we're going to move in, and during this time the threads have been replicated, and you have two. And what we're going to do is just click on this process of seeing what happens during interphase. Okay, so the chromosomes here are lined up into simpler forms. And what's going to happen is they line up and form a tetrad. During this time, two of the non-sister chromatids align themselves, break apart, and switch. This part where they break off is called crossing over, and the name we have is called a chiasmata. So this chiasma or chiasmata is where the point where these two chromosomes break apart. And in doing so, you have a recombination of genes taking place on non-sister homologous chromosomes. So what has happened is a tip from the tan has switched places with the tip with the plus, and now that is represented here as the black arm of the chromatid, and then it has the white tan part, and then this one has the long tan part with the black tip part. Undergoes meiosis 2, and I end up with one with the white with the black, one with the black with the white, and then a black, and then it goes through mitosis to make the spores, and that's how you end up with two white, two black, two white, two black, or two white, four black, and two white. All right, if you have any questions, just go ahead and stop it and rewind it.